What if I told you that you can add powerful features to Google Chrome in just one click? From ad blockers to download managers, let me show you how to install Chrome extensions on your PC step by step. Welcome back to How To Tutorials. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add extensions to the Chrome browser on a Windows PC or laptop. This method works for beginners and advanced users, and it only takes a few seconds. Open the Google Chrome browser on your PC. Make sure the Chrome browser is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, open a new tab and type chrome.google.com/webstore and press enter. This is the official Chrome web store where all safe and verified Chrome extensions are available. You will see a search bar. Type the name of the Chrome extension you want. For example, you can add ad blockers, search password manager, screen recorder, or download manager. Once you find the extension, click on it. Then click the button that says Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension. That's it. The extension will automatically install and appear at the top right corner of the browser. To manage installed extensions, click the puzzle icon near the address bar. From here, you can pin, disable, or remove any extension easily. Always check reviews and permissions before installing any Chrome extension to keep your browser faster and secure. And that's how you install Chrome extensions on your PC using Google Chrome. As you can see, it's quick, simple, and extremely powerful. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Comment below and tell me which Chrome extension you used most. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.